Trying to get the little black one to play with her now. Play with me. I'm little like you, see? There's all the Shih Tzus under Karen. And some others over here. A peek. And Sky, the giant dog. Giant poodle. Giant poodle. Let me go see her friend over here. See if she'll play. Nope, nobody at the door, Sky. That's what she does at home.
Good guard dog.